my new LMS train set. Just bought, second hand. And this loco is from a set that I've just recently bought, but it was running fine, and then I picked it up and the wheel came off. The whole rim came right off. I thought, oh, okay. And then I looked a little bit more and the front rim was loose also. And I thought, oh, okay. So what I've got to do now is I've got to take the trucks off, take the body off the chassis, and I'll have to glue that back on. So that's a job for a bit later, but that's why it's sitting there, to remind me that that's what I need to do with that. So this is one of the fairly simple. I've already cleaned it and given it a bit of grease so it runs nicely. So yes, because it's one I just picked up just the other day. So, but the clips that hold it don't hold it all the best, but they do hold it on. But it's not, as you can see, it's a bit loose, but it is what it is. So yeah. But yeah, it's a nice looking little loco. So yeah. Okay, hello everybody and welcome to another episode of maintenance. Today's maintenance day. So the little screws turned up, the itty bitty screws, as in those ones. So we'll start putting this back together, as in Duchess of Sutherland. So get all this back together and start putting her all back in a running format. So better check, see if the new screw fits for starters. So when I can get the packet open, there we go. And I ordered 4 of them because I thought if there's a problem with one, at least I've got spares. So, and as I said the other day, what I did was I marked the broken one that I tapped out with black, just so I know. So I'll just do this to make sure that it goes in properly. Bingo. Look at that. Woot woot. Just what I want. All the way in. That's good. So there we go. All right. So we'll save those. Okay, so back to the bench. It's now time to put all this together. I've got the new little pin or the screw or whatever you want to call it. So now we'll put it all together. So what I'm going to do for the moment is I'm going to put this in, which will hold the wheels together. And I'll just put a little screw in there for the moment, which will help hold it all in one piece. So I'll use the one for the front for the pony truck. That'll just hold the wheels in place so they don't go anywhere. Alright, so now we put this all back together. So we want a set of crank pins with the pin facing up. Put that on there, that on there, and that on there. So they're all in the same line. Line them up at 3 o'clock. Then we get the and this comes apart on there because it's all very, very small. So I need to put that, just that little pin back on there, like that. So then we need to I think I might need to just all I want to do, I don't want it to stick or anything. It just moves that way, so that's alright. Everything's running fine, which is good. There like that, and sits on the wheel. There we go, with contact on that wheel. Because that is what works the headlight. Alright. So now we put the back on, which will hold all that together. Shall set this up the correct way. And that's got to go in there. There's two little lugs just there, which it is. And it has a piece in there. Oops. Put it in here. There we go. That's better because on the side of this it's got a notch that holds it in place. Which holds that light just in the right spot so it doesn't move. And then we put this back in place. And then we've got this to go in. So now we undo this and make sure we don't lose it. Put it through there. want to do is I want to put a piece of black tape over there, because there was a little piece of tape, but it was only like there. So what I would like to do is put a big piece across it. So I haven't got any black tape. Got some red tape. Might work. It's only to block the light. That's all it's for. So see if we go from there. Let's see how we go. I want it from there to there. What I want to do is I want to push it down in that area there underneath, like that, so you don't actually see it and it blocks the light coming through. So that might just be it. That's all I need, hopefully. I'll put it on the track just to see how it goes. Seems all fine. It seems to be working, no clicking, so I'll try it on the main track, I guess. I'll be back shortly. Alright, so we have it on the track. Let's give it a run. Woohoo! Look at that! Alright, seems to be working alright. So we'll give it a run backwards. And that seems to be working as well. Well, it's good. Alright, so maybe we'll hook it up to its carriages, which are on the siding here. So I'll bring it round, hook it up. First full run. Woohoo! And I can see the headlights are working, which is good. That's not bad. It's not bad indeed. My friend, that is not bad at all. Alright, that's my Hornby LMS Express Passenger Set R118. So it says on the box, R118. And that's what you get with the set. So there you go. So let's give it some express on the layout. It's not quite flat out. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye for now.